If you use Airtable to manage data, but need external users like suppliers or clients to submit and update info, you'll know how limited Airtable's options can be. CollabPortals solves this. It connects to your base and lets you quickly spin up a secure portal that gives people access to just the records and fields you choose. And this is without paying for extra users in Airtable. Let me show you how it works. Here's an example Airtable base I've made. It has 3 tables: freelancers, that's our user table, projects linked to freelancers, and timesheets, where they log their work. Now let's quickly turn this into a working portal. This is the CollabPortals admin interface. I'll add a new portal, name it freelancers, and connect it to our base. Then I choose the user table, in this case freelancers, and select the email field they'll log in with. And that's it, the portal's live. Here's the unique URL. Now let's control what users can do in the portal. In the Permissions tab, I can define access table by table and field by field. For example, on the freelancers table, maybe they can only edit their status. On projects, they can view and update specific fields like status or deadline, but not create or delete. And on timesheets, maybe they get full access: add, edit, delete. I can even make certain fields required to keep data nice and clean. Now let's see what this looks like for an actual user. Normally they'd get the portal link, enter their email, receive a login code, and access the portal. But as an admin, I can also just preview the portal as any user. So I'll choose one of the freelancers here. Now we're seeing exactly what this user would see. On their profile, they can only update the fields we've allowed, in this case just the status. In the Projects tab, they can only edit certain fields. And on timesheets, they can freely create, update, or delete entries as they wish. Everything syncs instantly with Airtable, no manual updates needed. So that's CollabPortals. In just a few clicks, you can turn any Airtable base into a secure, user-friendly portal for people outside of your team. If you want to try it out, head to collabportals.com. Setup takes less than 2 minutes. Thank you for watching.